The Lok Sabha on Tuesday took up an opposition resolution seeking the removal of Speaker Om Birla from office over allegations that he has shown bias towards the ruling party. The notice to move the resolution was read out in the House by Congress MP Mohammad Jawed. Soon after the notice was presented, a debate began over who should preside over the proceedings while the motion to remove the speaker is being discussed. IM leader Asaduddin Owaisi questioned the decision to allow Jagdambika Pal to chair the House during the discussion. Owaisi argued that Pal had been appointed to the panel of chairpersons by Birla himself, raising concerns about neutrality. Responding to the objection, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey defended the decision and cited constitutional provisions, existing laws and the rules of the House. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju also dismissed Owaisi's claim, stating that Pal was fully competent to preside over the proceedings of the Lok Sabha. Meanwhile, Trinamool Congress MP Saugata Roy suggested that Rijiju should move a separate motion to appoint a presiding officer specifically for the purpose of discussing the resolution. Rejecting the objections, Jagdambika Pal proceeded with the process and put the notice for moving the resolution to vote. He asked at least 50 members of parliament to stand in support of the motion. After the required number of MPs stood up, the notice was accepted and Mohammad Jawed formally read out the resolution. The discussion on the motion then began, with Congress Deputy Leader in the Lok Sabha, Gaurav Gogoi, opening the debate. The total of 10 hours have been allotted for the discussion. While initiating the debate, Gogoi again raised the question of who should preside over the House during the discussion on the Speaker's removal. He said the opposition was compelled to bring the resolution against Om Birla in order to save the constitution.